I now request Dr. Sandeep Joshi to announce the names of the first prize winners of Ideathon 2020 in diploma and undergraduate category.
Yes, Ruchira madam. The winners of diploma and undergraduate category is group code DPUG 00. Group code is DPUG 0009.
Yes!
The theme was innovative. And the names of the team members, Harsh Agrawal and Aditya Birazdar. Congratulations, both of you. Congratulations, Harsh and Aditya. Yes, you can put forward your.
Okay, thank you so much. A very good evening to all the jury, teaching, and managing staff of PC Ideathon and every participant who was present here. Our idea started off with a motivation to solve a major problem that we found online and with a very few skills that we had. As we built it over the months of the lockdown, we solved a lot of unexpected problems and got a completely new insight into production and development. The main thing that we've learned from this whole experience is that you don't need to be a good coder or a professional with technical skills to be able to solve real life problems. All you need is a good mindset and the drive to spot problems in the world. I would like to thank my teammate Aditya Birazdar for believing in this idea and joining me on this ride. I extend my most sincere gratitude to our professor Biju Balakrishnan, our branch counselor, for being a very strong backend and a motivating factor for us throughout this journey. My team IEEE SIS GST for giving me a role where I could explore my skills and amazing teammates from the most versatile skill set I've ever seen. Lastly, my greatest appreciation goes to team of PC Ideathon 2020 for giving us this platform to present our ideas and get honest opinions from technical and educational pioneers of the field. Thank you so much.
Over to Aditya.
A very good afternoon to all. My name is Aditya Birazdar and I am from SIS Graduate School of Technology. I have been practicing graphics and front-end coding for a very long time. It has been an amazing experience facing the challenges completely out of my domain and getting to connect with people at production level. Even though I am traditionally from printing and packaging engineering branch, IEEE SIS GST welcomed me with an open arms and allowed me to interact with all fields of work and meet some amazing people in the process. For this, I would like to sincerely thank my mentor and my guide, Professor Biju Balakrishnan, our branch counselor, and the whole team for believing in me and backing up with me everything. Congratulations to all the participants. It takes a lot of heart to step up and talk about your own ideas and have a strong belief in them. No matter if we win or lose, we will keep our heads held high. We also thank team of PCE for organizing this amazing contest and hope to see you all very soon. Thank you.